How to save Chat GPT conversation as a PDF file on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Chrome browser and search for Chat GPT. Tap on the very first option that you get. Then make sure that you're logged in for better experience. Then on the message section, you can search for anything. For example, I'm just searching for importance of AI and let the Chat GPT do its work. Now wait until it provides all of its answers. Then how we can convert it into PDF is we can copy the file or copy the conversation by selecting and then pasting it in the MS Word and then taking the MS Word into the PDF converter, which can be done online as well by searching on Word to PDF converter. So you can choose any of these options that are available over here. You just have to choose a file and upload it and it will convert to the PDF. Next option that we have is we can go for Google Chrome and search for Chat GPT Prompt Genius. Tap on that, Prompt Genius. Now after tapping on that, as you can see, it is only available for premium users and requires ChatGPT Plus. And if you have access to ChatGPT Plus, you can just tap on the file and export the file into PDF. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.